Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and please hit the notification bell. And guys, you're welcome to leave comments below. The DeFi project that I'm going to introduce to you today is called PolkaMarkets. I've done a lot of research on this project over the last number of weeks, and out of many projects, guys, I regard this one as one of my top 3. I introduced my number 1 DeFi project to you 2 days ago. But guys, I can tell you this one is a close second. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, guys, I tried everything, but I could not get into the private and pre-sale rounds of this project. So today we are all in the same boat. PolkaMarkets will be listed on Uniswap today, the 24th of February at 3 p.m. UTC. And we all will have to try to buy ourselves some Polk tokens. Now guys, as you know, I'm moving towards DeFi tokens almost entirely. I divide my projects into short-term, very high risk, medium-term, where I will hold the tokens for a few months to see what is going to happen, but I will likely sell some of those tokens. And then long-term, guys, where initially I will not sell my tokens, I will hold it for months, years, and even longer, because I believe that those projects have real use cases that will last a very long time. Having said all that, guys, I regard the PolkaMarkets DeFi project as a medium-term project. There are a number of competitors in this market, but I believe that PolkaMarkets is doing something different, and I will explain that to you. Now guys, as always, you need to do your own research, your own due diligence. You need to make your own decisions and invest only what you can afford to lose. In this video, my analysis will include a quick overview of the project. Number 2, I will tell you why I am excited just looking at the PolkaMarkets community. Number 3, I will do comparisons between PolkaMarkets and 2 of its competitors. And lastly, I will go through the white paper in detail. Now guys, if you go to PolkaMarkets.com, this will be your opening screen. And as you can see here, they will tell you about the launch date and time. They will give you the address. And guys, as always, please make sure that you use the correct address. There are lots of scams everywhere in crypto. You always have to make sure that you have the correct token address. Now guys, let's talk about the vision of PolkaMarkets. PolkaMarkets is a DeFi-powered prediction market built for cross-chain information exchange and trading, where users take positions on outcomes of real-world events in a decentralized and interoperable platform on Polkadot. What is the product all about? Users can monetize their forecast of future outcomes and events within an interoperable and decentralized infrastructure where your beliefs become assets with financial value traded openly on the market. Now guys, the reason why I am interested in this, I watch world events every day, whether it's economic news or politics, and then I'm also very into sports. Now what they are saying here, your beliefs and your interest can now become assets. For example, if you watch a simple sports match, like soccer or basketball, you can now, in a gamified prediction market fashion, actually make predictions on those matches and potentially make some money. Now you have to listen to this further and you have to read the white paper to fully understand the potential power of this project. Let's continue. Buy and sell fractions of event outcomes, or even create your own events where others can take their own positions. Now guys, this to me can potentially be powerful, where you can even create your own events, okay? Participate and provide liquidity to earn. Now guys, another reason why I like this is they want to make it entertainment. They want to make it fun. More than just a prediction market, PolkaMarkets will have important entertainment features. These include NFT-based gamification, live streaming integration for in-play positions on esports and sports, and daily crypto price markets. Live chats and virtual events in online communities will also form a key entertainment value add to our platform. Let's have a look at the features. They have 6 features here. The first one is open and liquid markets. Liquidity providers are incentivized to provide liquid markets and earn trading fees and yield farming rewards. DeFi-powered rewards model. Users and LPs can mine Polk tokens by making forecasts and providing liquidity. NFTs give exclusive access to special features. Entertainment value, we've spoken about that. User-based fee economy. All platform fees on PolkaMarkets go directly to users and liquidity providers. In terms of governance tools, guys, the Polk token is required to create prediction markets on PolkaMarkets as one of its key use cases. Curated event list. Prediction markets will be curated by Polk holders to ensure safe and open markets. Now guys, in terms of the timeline, the roadmap, Q1, crypto future market, esports market, fractions portfolio, liquidity provision, DeFi features, curated list, Polk mining, and then Q2 you can read all about it, Q3 and Q4. In the white paper, guys, you will see that there's a lot more detail in terms of the roadmap. Now guys, if you scroll further down, you will see the frequently asked questions, and then you can then read up on what is PolkaMarkets, what is the use case, and so on. So guys, that is the first part of my overview of PolkaMarkets. Let's now move to the second part where we're going to look at the PolkaMarkets community. Now guys, whenever I analyze a project, I look at the community. Firstly, I go to the website, then I go to Telegram, Discord, and Twitter, and so on. The PolkaMarkets official Telegram group has 92,902 members. So guys, to have almost 93,000 members on your Telegram group, even before the project has launched officially, is quite impressive. If you go to their Twitter account, you will see that there they have 94,000 members. Now, of course, guys, to look at the community in this way is not scientific. However, I've learned over the last 4 to 5 weeks that a very strong community is crucial to the success of a project. You have to do your own research and make your own analysis. A strong community might not mean anything to you. To me, it means a lot, and it's one of the reasons why I am very excited about this project. So guys, let's have a quick look at competition. My understanding is that there's a lot of competition in the gamified prediction markets area. I've identified 2 platforms that I want to compare with PolkaMarkets. The first one is called Augur, and the second one is called GNO. Now guys, when we do this comparison, keep in mind that PolkaMarkets will have a total token supply of 100 million. In terms of doing the comparative analysis, guys, I'm only giving you the information. It's up to you to look at what potential market caps will be and so on. So in terms of Augur, they have a max supply of 5.9 million tokens. The market cap for Augur is 151 million. Current token price is 25 USD. They reached an all-time high of 341 USD. And keep in mind, guys, this project has been running for, it looks like, at least 5 years. In terms of GNO, they have a total token supply of max supply of 10 million. Their current market cap is 201 million USD, and the price of this GNO token is currently 133 USD. The all-time high of this token was 441 USD. The all-time low was $6.88, and this project has been running for around 3 years. So guys, in terms of comparing PolkaMarkets with Augur and GNO, that's all that I'm going to do. You are now going to have to delve a little bit deeper to look at the potential value, the potential future value, etc. I believe that the PolkaMarkets platform will have a lot of improvements and a lot of additional value add over its competitors. In short, guys, that is why I am bullish about the potential future value of the Polk token. So guys, in conclusion, I want to have a quick look at the white paper. The layout of their white paper is very user-friendly. I believe this is about a 10-minute read, so you can read it yourself to make sure that you understand the project. If you scroll down, you will see that they have short paragraphs per page, so very easy to read. So by now, if you are interested in this project, having listened to me for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then I encourage you to really read the white paper. Concentrate when you read it, make notes, and make sure that you understand it. If you prefer to read the white paper yourself, you of course do not have to watch the rest of this video. Now guys, let's get started with the white paper. What is the problem that PolkaMarkets is attempting to solve? They say here, at the intersection of DeFi and information exchange lies the prediction market, an area where traders can leverage their knowledge of the past, the present, and the future to forecast specific real-world outcomes. They say that currently existing prediction markets suffer from key problems such as a lack of liquidity in markets, lack of traders, and duplicate or confusing markets. Now, why would we want to go to PolkaMarkets? PolkaMarkets aim to solve these problems by incentivizing liquidity providers and traders to facilitate and take large positions, while a system for curation and resolution ensures efficient and trustworthy markets. Now, according to PolkaMarkets, there is no winner yet. The ability to profit off of information exchange and modeling has formed the basis for much of modern capital markets. With the rise of DeFi, traders are finding yield through decentralized exchange, lending, farming, and providing liquidity for others to use. No current player in the market provides all of this together. However, PolkaMarkets will attempt to provide all of this. Here they ask the question, why isn't it working? They say there's no volume, no market interest, no market timing, and no DeFi. What are the strengths of PolkaMarkets? PolkaMarkets is a DeFi-powered prediction market built for cross-chain information and trading, where users take positions on outcomes of real-world events in a decentralized and interoperable platform based on Polkadot. With PolkaMarkets, users can take positions in esports, crypto futures, sports, politics, and other market types. This is a financial and information marketplace where you can tokenize your knowledge and earn from forecasting. And then they say the future is in PolkaMarkets. Forecast and earn. We've already spoken about this, guys. So what they basically say here is that you can monetize your forecast of future outcomes and events within an interoperable and decentralized infrastructure where your beliefs become assets. Okay, what you do on a daily basis, your hobbies even, will become an asset to you. And then, as I said previously, you can even create your own events. So let's look at the product. They say there will be an exchange, asset forecast, liquidity markets, and DeFi API. The features, we spoke about the 6 features before. We spoke about the roadmap, guys, so you can take some time to read through the roadmap in detail. So let's look at empowering the user, maximizing the power of DeFi for prediction market stakeholders. You can mine the Polk token by making predictions and providing liquidity to PolkaMarkets. 2/3 of all platform fees will go directly to PolkaMarkets LPs. In terms of the users, they say by making predictions and buying and selling fractions of an outcome of PolkaMarkets, users can mine the Polk token. In terms of the entertainment value, more than just a prediction market, PolkaMarkets will have live streaming integration for in-play markets on esports and crypto price markets. Live chats and virtual events in online communities will also form a key entertainment value add to a platform. They will have visual portfolio, live feeds for esports and events, virtual events and promotions, and NFT gamification. Now guys, they've also done an overview of competitors, so you can have a look at that. In terms of trading fees, guys, they say that in every trade, 0.3% of the trade value will be added into the market fees to be distributed at the close of the event as follows: 0.2% direct fees to LPs and 0.1% to be used to automatically buy back Polk in the market. We've spoken about the token utility, guys. So there's mining, direct fees for LPs, and buyback. In terms of the sales structure, guys, as we said, there will be 100 million total supply tokens. 13.45% is the initial circulating supply. The initial market cap will be 672,500 USD. They will raise 715,000, 0.025 strategic sale price. I did not get into this round. And today, guys, we will hopefully be able to buy this token at 0.05 when it lists on Uniswap. And then finally, guys, they will provide 200,000 USD worth of liquidity on Uniswap. In terms of the token distribution, guys, strategic sale was 25%, public sale 3%, liquidity funding 22%, marketing 20%, team and advisors 10%, and foundational reserve also 20%. In terms of the fund allocation, product development 45%, very important to continue to develop, liquidity and exchange 30%, ecosystem 20%, legal and accountancy 5%. In terms of the unlock schedule, the strategic guys will receive 25% of their tokens on TGE, on the token generation event, and then they will receive 25% every month for the next 3 months. For the public, it's fully unlocked. Liquidity 10% on TGE, 10% per month over 9 months. Marketing 10% on TGE, 5% per month over 18 months. So this is very impressive, guys. And to me, this is an indication that this will be a medium to long-term project. And then team and foundational tokens, 1 year fully locked, very good. And then 25% quarterly. These are the team members, guys. You can have a look, you can read up about them. And, you know, on the Telegram, they are very open. You can ask lots of questions, not necessarily to the team members, but to the admin. And, you know, some of the questions are relayed, I believe, to some of these guys, and they will take time to answer. So guys, that's a brief look, or maybe not so brief look, at the white paper, but I always try to read it 2, 3, 4 times just to make sure that I understand the project fully before I decide to invest. Guys, overall, I like the looks of PolkaMarkets. I will likely invest 1,000 or 2,000 USD on Uniswap today. I will time my entry, obviously, because we are not part of the private sale and pre-sale rounds. We now have to buy it, competing with, you know, many thousands of people on Uniswap. So it's important, guys, that you decide when you want to enter. Maybe not immediately, because the bots will typically, you know, pump the price. Maybe you wait for an hour or 2, but it depends on what you want to do. Also remember, guys, that the gas fees on ETH are at the moment, you know, exuberant. It's very high. So you have to take that into consideration. So guys, as we move along, I will present quite a few more DeFi projects to you. I will try to improve on my analysis, but the aim of the whole thing is just to introduce the product or the project to you, and for you to then take it further, to do your own research, your own due diligence. And as always, guys, please be careful. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Let's hope, if you decide to invest in PolkaMarkets, that this is going to be a good one for us, that we're going to make some good gains, whether we just buy and sell the token or whether we decide to be involved with this project for the long term. That's all from me on PolkaMarkets. Till next time, goodbye.